Like a pure lime leaf. Also planted by my mom. Beautiful. I'm gonna pick these for my sausages. Today I will be making LAO sausages. Here are my fresh ingredients. I have cilantro, lemongrass, green onion, kaffir lime leaves, fresh garlics, Thai chili pepper, galangal, lemongrass. Here are my ingredients. 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of oyster sauce, 1 chicken bouillon, 1 cup, 1 cup of salt, half cup of MSG, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 cup of garlic salt. This is the sausage casing for the sausage. Okay, now we're cutting green onions. Doesn't have to be too fine. Rough chop is fine. Same thing as cilantro. Just cut the tip off and just throw it away. Just roughly chop it. Don't need to be nice and neat. And now we're cutting the Thai chili pepper. Put as many as you like. If you like it more spicy, put more. If you don't like it spicy, just don't add any. I'm adding lemongrass, galangal, your lime leaf, adding all my ingredients together right now. Adding the chicken bouillon. Pepper. Garlic powder. Much salt. MSG. Lastly, my sugar. It might look a lot, but Lao sausage is more sweeter. And then we'll mix this well. Lastly, add Korean. Not sure what's the color. Here's my marinated sausage. We're gonna let it sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour and then stuff it.